Welcome to Wadi Namar Waterfalls. This place is nice to relax. It has beautiful view and also very calm place and clean. Very well managed by authorities by keeping it clean. Clean public washroom also available, which is very important when you are with kids and want to spend long time. Nice place to visit in Riyadh. Strongly recommended. Do give it a visit and enjoy with your family and friends. Fantastic camping place. To spend long nights with groups, designated fireplace. Ample space for setting up barbecues. Long walking tracks, good for cycling as well. It's a man-made lake and park built around the Namar Dam. This spot is a welcome respite from the desert heat, offering lush greenery, a lake, and even a waterfall. Each piece of art is unique to look at, must visit to get the experience. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe for more videos to upload. Happy holiday, Riyadh. God bless. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye-bye.